excited.
Hi, JMGC, JJJA!
And we're gonna taste the Dubai chocolate.
Saglit, nasa si JM!
Right here.
JC! Where's JC? JJ! JA! Wow! And her dog. Okay, anong kakainin nyo ngayon?
Dubai chocolate. And it's called Fix. Fix. F-I-X.
Wow, let's see.
Stop being crazy.
Wow! Oh, JC, doon ka lang. Yeah, you're correct. It's a Fix. F-I-X, Dubai chocolate.
Wait, but I thought it was there was
Wow.
gonna be the ball. Let me see.
Okay. Sige, open.
Let me open it. Let me open it. Wait,
Wow. Oh, open. Then taste. Ano lang, each bar lang ha.
And then we're gonna rate it. Oh my god.
Yeah, rate it.
Yeah, rate it. How about for? Oh my
Wow.
Oh my gosh! Let me taste it. 3.
Oh, dali, isa-isa lang.
1.
Ay, ang bilis naman.
Oh my god! It's matcha.
Ano?
Matcha.
Lasa? Oh.
So crunchy.
Oh, si J.A. Wala pa si J.A. Huy, bigyan nyo si J.A. Oh, umiyak tuloy. J.A. ang binibigyan ka, babe. Oh, give it. Give it to me, baby. Oh, give it. Give her. J.A.
Guys, it's so good. 10.
1 to 10, ano?
10.
Wow. Oh, si JJ.
I rate it 100 out of 10. Here, Jay.
Wow. Oh, Go, J.A. Pinaya ko naman si J.A. Oh, this one, oh. Oh, taste it. Oh, ikaw, J.M. Ano? Ano? Ha? 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. What?
I know.
Ikaw, JJ.
400.
Masyadong marami. Si J. J. Oh, pinaiyak naman si J.A. eh. Oh, sige na, J.A. Ako nga.
I think I know what to rate it.
I want more.
I know. 5.
5 yan daw.
Look. When it crunches, that's why I like Nestle Crunch.
Oh, J.A. here. Ay, gusto niya yung malaki, babe. Bigyan mo siya malaki. Yan. Good job. Thank you, Ate JC. Oh, 1, lowest, 10, highest. What's your score for Fix?
10. 100.
Ikaw?
5.
Oh, ikaw?
2.
Bigyan mo, JJ.
3.
Okay. Oh, that's the Fix Dubai chocolate.
I want more.
Oh, what will you say to Grandma, to Grandma Sally?
Thank you, but I want more.
Grandma Sally. Oh.
Thank you, Lord, and I want more.
What's your score for Fix Dubai chocolate?
Da 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 da.